Hi friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I want to make a presentation of my new course that I prepared specially for you. It is about Autumn in Watercolors Advanced Level, or let's say middle level. If compared with other courses that I have shared here on my YouTube channel, this course is slightly more advanced and more difficult. Not all the videos, but some of those. If you feel like you are still a beginner level, but you would like to learn something new, this course can be adjusted to you too, because you will start with easy works, you will repeat several times, and you can initiate to work on some more difficult landscapes or works that I have prepared. And if it is not getting to with a great result from the start, you can try it 2-3 times till you will get to the desired result. It is about keeping trying it and to enjoy working with watercolors. For those of you who are for the first time here, my name is Ala, I'm a sketch illustrator and watercolorist, and from 2020 I'm an art teacher too. I decided to go with some interesting yet not complicated works at the beginning, and the first work will be about this beautiful red mushroom that you will have to draw and to paint in watercolors. This work we will work with different layers, and we will work mainly with the glazing technique. But the color that you see, the green color in the background, it was worked with wet and wet technique. With wet and wet technique, it is easier to create the negative painting, and I think that we get the good result with this negative painting. I will explain more details about it, and you will learn new notions about watercolors, about techniques, and how to work with it. The second work, it is very funny and I really enjoyed painting it. It is about this beautiful squirrel. The drawing is easy. I will share with you how to make it easy, even if it looks difficult. And in watercolors, I will teach you how to create this fluffy effect that we create on your hair. So nice work to do. Another work that it is not so difficult and still easy, but will take you more time, it will be this beautiful autumn wreath. The work, why we will spend more time here? First, because I used a bigger size of the paper, and the second reason is that we work a lot on details. As far as you can see, all the details have shadow, they have highlight, have some depth, so it is a very detailed work to do. But still, as an illustration, it looks fantastic. Now let's move to more difficult works, and the decision why I decided to go with this course as more advanced level and not beginner level is because there were some of the preceding works will take you slightly more time. The first work will be this interesting work of autumn. We will work with Eiffel Tower, and we will create these beautiful autumn trees in the front. The Eiffel Tower is done, we will draw the Eiffel Tower first, then in the watercolors we will work with wet and wet technique to create this cloudy effect of the sky, and only after we will paint the Tour Eiffel, the sky, we will proceed working with the trees, and we will work with wet and wet technique to create a beautiful effect of different colors, of playful colors in yellow, orange color and red colors. Another amazing work that I really loved, as far as you noticed, I have painted a lot of Japan. Before going to Japan, now I visited this beautiful and marvelous country, and I'm not painting it anymore, but it was the time that I was painting it a lot. And here I decided to paint you a beautiful view, a beautiful postcard from Japan, and the work is about autumn time. Here we apply warm autumn colors. The most difficult part is to draw this shrine. Then all the rest of the work in watercolors is not difficult. But it is true that the drawing itself will take us a lot, and once we will do it, we will proceed with the watercolors. We will work with wet and wet technique, with wet and dry technique, we will work with details, so it will be a really fun and interesting experience for those of you who haven't painted too much in your experience with watercolors. And last work that I decided to share, it is this marvelous train that comes from the forest. We used to work with the wet and wet technique for the background for creating these transitions of warm colors first, and then only we work with a very detailed work on this train to create this depth, to create the form of it, and so much more. As well as in the previous works, the longer time will take us the drawing, and here I will share with you how to work on the perspective in this specific train. If you haven't watched my previous video about perspective, I really advise you to watch it prior to start with this course, because there I explain a lot of really important notions to work with perspective. As well, about aerial perspective we will speak, because here you can see the everything that it is far away, it is not seen. Instead, everything that it is in front of us is very detailed. And that's it. I will leave in the description down below the link that you can buy this course. Once you will buy the course, you will receive a PDF file with all the links included to these videos, to these video tutorials. If you have any questions, you can contact me over here in the comments, or you can contact me on Instagram and ask me questions regarding the course. If you have bought the course and you have questions, you can also ask me questions on my Instagram. So feel free to contact me for any doubt you have. Thank you for watching, and see you on the course.